on TV, online, and on your smartphone. This is Ticker News.
The Green Edition, in association with the Root Brands, inspiring greatness with natural solutions for people to reach their highest and healthiest potential.
Hello and welcome to the Green Edition, exploring hot topics and challenges in the world of business, economics and health today. The Centres for Disease Control and Prevention has tied sleep deprivation to depression, also diabetes and high blood pressure, just to name a few. Our next guest is here to discuss how a mix of heavy metals and environmental toxins can really affect your quality of sleep. Let's bring in CEO and founder of the Roots Brands, Clayton Thomas. Great to have your company as always, Clayton. Firstly, in your opinion, we know sleep is crucial, but why is it so important for our overall health and well-being?
Brittany, thanks for having me back. I actually decided to have bed hair today to best answer this. You know, the sleep aspect is so important because it's actually when we create, it's when we regenerate, it's when we problem solve. It's also when we upgrade, right? So when we think of how we function and what we're becoming, everything that we're exposed to during the day is all then compiled. And when we rest, if we get into the proper kind of rest, because just going to sleep doesn't mean you're getting deep, restful sleep. This is the key. But the upgrade aspect is so important because this is where we improve. If you're working out a lot, you're very familiar with the aspect of rest and recovery. If you're not getting deep, restful sleep, you're actually not going to recover. But if you're trying to build muscle, you don't build muscle when you're working out. You actually build muscle when you're sleeping, when your body's working to regenerate.
Yeah, and especially, it's getting colder down under. People need their sleep to help their immune defense, of course. You've talked about people working out. Every single person needs sleep. But what are the basic ways, I think a lot of people forget this, how sleep can help a person heal beyond just muscles?
The immune function, stress management, a lack of sleep, even sleep deprivation for 24 hours will cause psychosis. It'll cause the beginnings of psychosis. So there's really nothing more important than having a very good sleep cycle. Most entrepreneurs will believe that they have to work 16, 18 hours a day and they can sleep 2, 3, 4 hours a night and be good. You can do that for a very short period of time, but then your productivity drops significantly and you're going to pay the consequences of it. You might pay the consequences with your immune function. You might pay the consequences with your cognitive function. You might pay the consequences with your physical function and your physical appearance. People look to Elon Musk for so many benefits on biohacking, but Elon's talked about only sleeping 4 hours a night. But when you look at him, you think, well, that's probably not the body type that I want to model.
No, not a role model to look up to as well. Now, Clayton, we know that some studies show that heavy metals can affect a person's sleep. So what types of products do you have that I guess can help with this issue of heavy metals as well?
The key to this really is the Trinity, because we know that the circadian rhythm, right, as you're talking about wintertime coming, so the brain's ability to adjust to light and dark is all controlled through your pineal gland. Your pineal gland is calcified by fluoride and other toxic metals, which makes it not work the way it's supposed to. If your pineal gland doesn't work, then you can't get into deep, restful sleep, deep REM sleep. And this is important because this process is also how your brain detoxifies itself. So many people want to talk about crossing the blood-brain barrier. That's actually not the primary pathway for brain detoxification. So what you have to do is you have to clean up your pineal gland. You got to remove the toxins that cause it to not function. You got to take care of the gut, right? So you create a healthy gut. Then you need to boost your gut's ability to produce dopamine and serotonin, because when you're ready to go to sleep, your gut is going to produce more serotonin. The serotonin goes to your pineal gland. Your pineal gland will convert serotonin into melatonin. That's going to help you get to sleep. Extra serotonin, if you have it, is going to be converted into endogenous DMT. The DMT is what gets you into deep REM sleep and allows you to dream. Or if you're meditating, allows you to have experiences that are absolutely outstanding. When you get into deep REM sleep, that's when your glymphatic system kicks in. It is glymph that is basically the brain's extension of your lymphatic system that washes over your brain during deep REM sleep, that allows the washing and flushing of the heavy metals and toxins that are in your brain or on your brain to be flushed out. If you're not getting consistent deep REM sleep, you're not going to get consistent brain detoxification, which is going to lead to a proliferation of tau buildup, which you've probably heard causes dementia and Alzheimer's and Parkinson's and CTE, with a combination of mold, fungus, and parasites. All of those are what are causing all of our brain health problems. So getting deep sleep, giving your body what it needs to put you in that position is honestly the foundation and the key to you becoming the best version of yourself.
And what wise words to finish on there. Clayton Thomas, CEO and founder of the Root Brands, thank you so much for bringing this to light today. Clayton Thomas from the Root Brands there, and whilst the Root Brands is the presenting sponsor of this program, all opinions and views in the following segment are general in nature. That's the program for now, but don't go anywhere, we'll be right back.